Hi, I'm Mad Sal, and today I'm going to show you how to create your very own AI clone. It's super fun and not at all creepy. Actually, I'm Mad Sal. That was my AI clone. She's pretty cute, right? But not nearly as charming as I am, because AI just can't replicate charisma. Can it? Hi, I'm Mad Sal, and today I am creating my AI clone, like that one you just saw. I'm going to show you how to do it for yourself. Let's go and try it out together. I have never cloned myself using AI before in this manner. I've done a lot of photos. I have not done a lot of video. I know this technology has been around because I've been seeing a lot of people do it, but I am an AI expert who has been taking a lot of vacations. So I'm not really keeping up with the technology, and anyways, I'm getting around to it now. Today we're using HeyGen to create my AI avatar. Let's work out the kinks together. Okay, so starting with pricing, I'm doing the creator plan today. The free plan will let you generate your AI clone. It just only lets you do 720 resolution, and I want at least 1080 because I'm trying to go viral, you know, get that crisp video output. Let's start at heygen.com. We are going to avatars, and we're going to create a new avatar. And we're going to start with a video. I've already watched this intro video. You can go watch it on your own if you want, but let me summarize. In order to create your AI avatar, you need to upload a video of you speaking to the camera. The best practices that HeyGen advises are a well-lit background, good lighting on your face. If you don't have lights, sit in front of a window. High quality recording, record with your back camera at 30 FPS, 4K. Whatever you have will be fine. Don't stress on quality. You can film horizontal or vertical. Look directly into your camera. Don't look over here at your monitor. Keep your eyes on that camera. Pause between sentences. Like that. I know it is not natural, but it will deliver the best results. Don't do your hand gestures up here because that might warp your face with the AI avatar. Those are HeyGen's tips. Here are my tips. I am wearing a plain, simple shirt, no buttons, not a ton of jewelry. Second tip, look your best. The AI is not going to put makeup on you. It is going to generate you as you are. For creating this AI version of myself, I'm wearing red lipstick today because I don't really wear red lipstick, and I kind of want to create an AI character of Mad Sal. I'm trying to give my AI character a defined look. So we're giving her red lipstick, and everything else is basically like what I would normally wear. I think it'll be fun and nothing's gonna go wrong. Let's get started. This should just be like 2 to 5 minutes of you speaking straight to the camera, uncut video. It won't accept a video if you've like pieced it together. 2 to 5 minutes, looking straight to camera, talking. This is gonna be so easy for me because I never shut up. I'm not gonna make you watch the full 2 to 5 minutes, but my editor will highlight the best parts that will most accurately represent how you want to speak in your video that you are uploading. All right, good luck to me. See you in a minute. Now I just talk to myself in my home alone. That's how much I talk. And now it's my career. Interesting. According to this timer that I set up on Google, my 5 minutes is over. See ya. Thank God that training video's over. That was real awkward. Let's do this. Okay, first we are going to upload our training video. Keep ambient sound in my recording. I'm going to leave that unchecked. You only really want to check that if you're trying to train an AI clone that like works in a busy kitchen or is outside a lot. So now HeyGen wants you to provide consent. You're just gonna film a little video on your webcam saying the script that HeyGen provides for you. That way you are not creating deep fakes of other people. Because remember, we're not creepy here. Okay, my avatar is being created. Okay, so we'll wait for it to be ready. What you can do is you can add new looks. So maybe I want AI Mad Sal without red lipstick. I want AI Mad Sal in a sweater because it's winter. So you can create a bunch of different looks and have various avatars here. And then as you create videos from this AI avatar, you can select which looks you want to use. Let's check out my AI avatar. Hey, Madeline Salazar, your hyper-realistic avatar is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy. That's kind of cool. Oh my gosh. I did so much of like looking down and doing that crazy eye thing. This is so cool. Okay, let's create one. Okay, this is so much fun. Okay, let's type a script. Hi, I'm Mad Sal, and today I'm going to show you how to create your very own AI clone. Let's see how this does. Hi, I'm Mad Sal, and today I'm going to show you how to create your very own AI clone. It's super fun and not at all creepy. This was good, but like the mouth looks weird, right? Let's convert to voice smearing. Oh, okay. I'm gonna record what I want it to say, and then it's going to mirror my voice. Hi, I'm Mad Sal, and today I'm gonna show you how to create your very own AI clone. It's super fun and not at all creepy. This is AI Mad Sal, by the way. Beep, beep, boop, 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 boop. I'm a robot. All right, let's see what this looks like rendered. Hi, I'm Mad Sal, and today I'm gonna show you how to create your very own AI clone. It's super fun and not at all creepy. Check out my YouTube video for the full tutorial. This is AI Mad Sal, by the way. Beep, beep, boop, boop, boop. I'm a robot. The beep beep boop 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 is so funny. Okay, honestly, I'm loving this. They look really good. It looks a little pinched, like I'm just keeping my face like this. I think maybe because I smiled a lot. The only thing that I'm not loving about these renders is it keeps following the same facial pattern. Every single clip is me talking like this and then going like this. So that's weird. The voice on HeyGen sucks. In another tutorial, I will teach you how to create a great voice clone using 11 Labs AI, and then how to import that into HeyGen. Okay, let's save this as first test and just generate. Okay, so now it's gonna generate it so I can save this and add this to my YouTube video and whatever else I wanna do. Let's check out these other looks that I made for myself. Let's see what this one's like. Testing this other AI look. Testing this other AI look. Okay, I believe there's a way that you can like, oh yeah, you can slow it down. Beautiful. Testing this other AI look. Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm really gonna have to use 11 Labs. Testing this other AI look. Yeah, that's terrible. Okay, don't create AI clones of yourself from pictures because testing this other AI look. It'll look weird like that. We have this hyper-realistic AI Mad Sal, and if you wanna do other looks, I would say create a new training model to create a new avatar. Okay, today is the next day. I went ahead and created an AI voice clone of myself in 11 Labs. You can go watch that video when it's up. And I imported that into HeyGen for a more accurate audio clone of myself. I've also learned a little more about HeyGen, how to add in gestures and stuff. So this is how I'm building out that intro and perfecting it a little bit more and making it a little more realistic. Let me show you how I did that. So if you highlight the text, you can go to gesture. When you click gesture, it's going to give you a bunch of gestures that you did in your training video. So hand clasp, pointing. These are all the mannerisms I had when doing these things. Okay, so I'm going to highlight all of this text and add that presenting gesture. All right, it's rendered with the hand gestures. I think this is going to add a lot more realism. Hi, I'm Mad Sal. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your AI clone. That looks really good. I wish the lip sync was a little more accurate, but I think that's just not possible yet. Hi, I'm Mad Sal. Let's add the hand clap for Hi, I'm Mad Sal. And then for today, I'm going to show you how to create my AI clone. And then it's super fun and not at all creepy. Let's add one of these gestures where I look a little like less happy. Great. Hi, I'm Mad Sal. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your AI clone. It's super fun and not at all creepy. Okay, that looks really good, but I found out when you add a gesture, it cuts. So that stinks. Okay, let's create just one gesture for this whole thing, and let's find one where I look the most enthusiastic. Okay, I like this one. I'm obsessed. I'm having like a hell of a time. Hi, I'm Mad Sal. Today I'm going to show you how to create your AI clone. It's super fun and not at all creepy. All right, that's it. I'm using that. We did it. Thanks for coming along for the ride. I hope that you create your own AI avatar. Have some fun with it. Everyone's like, you can use this for work or for monetizing your TikTok or whatever. Use it for fun. This is a fun thing to use for like fun, silly things. I don't have a big moral to this video, but thanks for coming along with me as I learned how to create my AI avatar. I hope I inspire you to create something with AI this week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, subscribe to my channel and like this video and hit the notification bell. Now, bye.